Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to replace and install these compatible ink cartridges in these compatible printers. Let's get started. First, let's open the ink cartridge cover. You'll see the ink cartridges inside, and the LCD will display which one needs replacing. This printer uses 4 cartridges. From left to right, the cartridges are magenta, cyan, yellow, and black. Next, press the lock release lever to release the ink cartridge that needs replacing, and then gently pull it out. Now, let's open the new ink cartridge. Be sure to avoid touching the area indicated here, as it can prevent the printer from detecting the cartridge. Insert the new cartridge in the direction of the arrow on the label. Each color has its own correct position, so make sure it matches up. Gently push the area marked Push until the cartridge locks into place. Then, close the ink cartridge cover. The printer will automatically reset the ink dot counter. If the machine doesn't detect the new cartridge, just remove it and reinstall it slowly until it locks into place. Now, let's go over a few important tips. First, don't shake the ink cartridges. If ink gets on your skin or clothes, wash it off immediately with soap and water. Also, don't remove an ink cartridge if you don't need to replace it. This can confuse the printer about how much ink is left. Make sure you install the correct color cartridge in its designated slot. If you mix them up, the printer will show you an error message. Finally, don't dismantle or tamper with the ink cartridges. This can cause them to leak and damage your printer. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the ink cartridge in your Brother MFC-J1010DW printer. Thanks for watching and happy printing!